Mark Twain.
Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is
Golden Horseshoe.
That means it's safe enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia of the Great Northwest, the graceful Missouri of the windswept plains, and the rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans.
In the South Lane, there's a city.
Oh yeah.
Down on the river, where the women are very pretty.
This is where they do Phantasmic.
And on the river, they got music, it's always playing. Thought in the daytime,
I don't even know if they're doing Phantasmic, to be honest. I'll have to look. Here. Pirates. Oh my god, look at people lined up for Pirates. Woo! Oh, so this is only 20 minutes though. That says it's 20 minutes. I don't know. That seems sus.
New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food, and ghosts.
I love the multiple
One
levels.
of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted. 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And
There's
they're looking
always room for one more.
If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after you arrive back at the landing in Frontierland.
Yeah.
We're now passing Ollie's Harbor. This is home port for the three-masted wind channel of the Columbia, the first American ship.
On a mansion. So good.
Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded England and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world. Famous landmark in this area is Tiana's Foods, built on an old salt dome and home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. From here, you might spot guests making quite a splash at Princess Tiana's park. Head on over when you get a chance. You're almost there.
This is Tom Sawyer's Island, Elena. Just like Disney World had Tom Sawyer's Island, remember? We went, walked around, same thing here. But it's still here. There you go. Tiana's. Pirates.
While you're in Bayou Country, you might want to grab a boat and try your hand at the explorer canoes. You can work up a real good sweat rowing one of those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day.
15 minutes, stand by. Tiana. Have not eaten at this barbecue place. I'd like to try it.
remote areas of the rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. Majestic trees, the stunning rock formations, the cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and elk along the banks.
This duck's just chilling in a little hot tub area.
So peaceful.
Mi amor.
Off to the side of the river is the Indian chief, and I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains Indians.
Frank, king of the river. Now look, the beaver's eating the... Get out of there, beaver! You're eating the bridge! No! That's funny.
Off the boat is a wise old shaman, sharing a story for all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed out bridge and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota passed down from generation to generation.
This duck, really. These dogs are so strange, they don't ever move.
There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose and other wildlife.
Oh man, look. On the railroad track, my amor, a boulder. Boulder. Jeez Louise. What's over here? Oops, sorry. I see treasure up in those parts. Banyo. Oh, this is the back side of what we already saw.
Off the starboard side is Pirate's Lair at Tom Sawyer Island.
Yarr.
Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I said, if you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early in the morning and go to school. And you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure all day long. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought. return to civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance are the towering peaks of Big Thunder Mountain.
¿Te diste mezcló?
The railroad built to haul gold out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural forces. And they've turned the mining trains into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Of course, that may be just another legend of the Just ahead is the Frontierland, where our journey begins. On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Mark Twain Riverboat. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down to the first deck. The stairways to the right side of the back of the boat may offer the quickest and easiest route. We hope you enjoyed your voyage with us and that you'll visit us again real soon.
Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.